Welcome back to my channel. This is Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Today I have a 1986 Pontiac Firebird TransAm. It's a 5.0 automatic trans. It does have the GTA wheels and tires, and it also has the GTA suspension from the factory. The car is beautiful inside and out. Look at that interior in nice condition. This car only has 66,000 miles on it. It's for sale here at Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. If you guys have seen my other videos, you know who I am. I'm Dave. I like to show off cars. We also like to sell cars. So we show off cars and sell cars, because that's what I do. If you're interested in this car, we can be found right here at Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share them, and click the notification so that when I post something like this, you will be the first to see it. Thank you.